Hello everyone. Today we will learn about how to invite our friends to your league in Fantasy Premier League. To do that, just first click on the Fantasy tab at the bottom middle of the screen. At the screen, scroll down a little and click on this Configure Leagues button. In the screen, scroll down again until see your desired league, and at the very right of this league there will be a gear button. Click on it. At the sections, click Invite Friends button right here. There will be a code and some buttons here. You can copy this code manually to give it to your friend, or just click the copy button to copy it automatically. You can also share this code by email or click this button to copy all the text about this button for your email. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. This is basically how to invite your friends to your league in Fantasy Premier League. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you guys in the next video.